Whoa, dude, is that your whole place?
Hey, everybody. I'm here with my stepbrother, Johnny. Say hi, John.
Hey, can they actually hear us?
Yeah.
They can?
Well, yeah. See, I just want to do a little demonstration on this plane, but first,
How many planes do you have? Do you have just all of them?
look at all the stuff I have. I've tons of every plane. Yes, I did invent this, but it was worth it. I love Spitfire. They can spit fire.
Literally?
No, but they can shoot bullets. 5,
Hey, dude, what's 1455? What time is that?
1455. That would be 255. Okay, so one large bomb, so a small bomb, and 2 napalms. It also have some TNT. It's dynamite. Spawn right there.
21 is
That would be
after 9?
it's military time. That would be
Is it after 9?
yeah, it's actually exactly 9. Okay, so no, not my compass. Anyways, hold on. Let me put my stuff up because I know this is probably going to end with me dying. So, cactus green, gunpowder.
Getting all of the stuff that you really need out.
Iron, leather, diamond, coal, redstone. I have so much crap in here. Hold on, let me pause this. And we're back.
Yay!
Okay, now I've gotten all this stuff out, but I left the compass so that I can find my way back because it is easy to get lost in these things. I think that next time I'm going to show you how to make them.
Make what?
Fine.
That would be really helpful.
There we go. And now you just pick them up. It's like a little toy plane. Transform! Now. Then now. Now. Now.
Alright, Zany.
Oh, dang. Spitfire.
Whoa, is that how big planes are?
Yeah. Okay, now.
I didn't know how to drive them.
Okay, now you press E to get out, right click to get in, and you press R to open this menu. Then you take your fuel. I think you have to have coal placed in there. Take whatever you're going to be dropping. I'm going to be dropping a large bomb, and I think it randomizes it. And let's drop the bullets right there.
Most of the bullets aren't like one. Oh yeah, anybody that's gonna face you is gonna be dead, right?
Basically, but there's no one to face me. Sadly, this is not on the server. Oh, like the back, front. That's my little symbol. Anyways, this is best for when you press forward to press W or to go forward, space to go up to ascend. This has a crappy motor, doesn't it? Shift to descend. S to slow down. W to speed up. And hold on. That's not good. Uh-oh. 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 Okay, and if you hit something like I just did, then you get, I mean, you don't completely lose it, you still, you usually get all the parts for it. I don't know where they are, so I'm guessing I'm going to have to walk back, but, you see?
Compass.
Yeah, but that's why, yeah, I brought a compass.
Oh, I just saw some parts.
Hold on. You know, it really doesn't matter. In 5 minutes they'll be gone. Let me pause it while I'm walking back.